Hello and welcome back to another Unreal Engine tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to easily create transparent materials that you can use for objects such as glass or windows. Like this. Okay, let's get started. Open the content drawer. I have a new folder here with materials. Let's right click and create a material. And let's name it window glass _ M or material. Up to you. Open it up. First thing we need to do, select this. On the left side, blend mode, we need translucent. Next, hold down 3 on your keyboard and left click. And connect this with the base color. Right click on this one and convert to parameter. And name this glass color. So this is going to be the color of the glass. Click this square. And in the hex linear, we're going to import code. So BEFFF8FF. Press OK. Now I can apply. Next, hold down 1 on your keyboard and left click. And connect this to opacity. And right click on this one and convert to parameter. And type window opacity. Now this is going to be how transparent the window we want to be. So 0 is fully transparent, 0.5 is going to be like this. If you put 1, it's fully opaque. Now let's go with 0.4. Hit apply, save. Now let's add a new material. Click and drag, and that's it, it's applied. Now if you want to fully customize this, I'm just going to undo this. Let's put it over here. Open the content drawer and let's right click, create material instance. Let's save it all. So this is going to be the original color and all the parameters. And the instance, if you double click, so this is the window opacity. Let's say 0.6. And let's change the color to maybe blue. Now we're going to close the original and we're going to apply this one. Okay, this is how you are creating easily material for windows or glass. I hope this is useful. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial.